现场观众准备好了吗 ？DJ 转了饼，哇！
Vanessa nigga with some counting.
What's that up?
Counting this. Parmesan with my accountant. Listen like I'm counting this. I hope they taste like play fully out of this. Girl, like a Maya Westy girl with my face stuff. With that pussy good, won't you say that on my taste buds? I can't wait to pay me once you have me with the extras. Pull up for your block and break it down and playing Tetris. AM to the PM to the AM phone. This I'm your per diem, you just gotta hate them phone. If I quit your BM, I still rock Mercedes phone. If I quit the season, I still be the greatest phone. My left stroke just went viral. Hey! Right stroke put a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note. There's levels to it, you and I know. Bitch, be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Bitch, sit down. Bitch, be humble. Sit down. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Bitch, sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Who that nigga thinking that he frontin' on my man? Get the fuck off my stage, I'm the Sandman. Get the fuck off my dick, that ain't right. I make a play, fucking up your whole life. I'm so fucking sick and tired of the Photoshop. Show me something natural like Afro. Show me something natural like ass with some stretch marks. Still a take you down right on your mama couch and on the side. Bye. This shit way too crazy. Four. That makes me think. I've been just lazy.
OK， 再次现场的问上二位，让我们的价值讨论一下。你们先别走，我们等下先公布你们好不好？然后我们刚刚的 final 也先准备一下哦。OK 吗？有结果。那两位请到中间。这是中间吗 ？OK， 我们的评审老师可以来帮我举一下吗？你们互相指来指去超好笑。九安娜老师，我邀请我们的美丽大方、活泼可人的九安娜老师，来替我们举一下我们既定的。环节，你们应该还在等我们这个举出来，你们就知道了，好不好？我们评审老师不是来比的而已呢。OK， 老师，雪球老师，来邀请我们国际刺客来到我们这边。哎，忘记结果了吗？我们雪球老师来 ，DJ。